Hey there, my friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an eye-opener on the reality of becoming rich and successful, not wishful thinking. This isn't a fairy tale. It's a frank observation of what it truly takes to climb the ladder of success. I recommend re-watching this video at least once a month to stay on track. The truth is, success always comes at a cost. If you're on a journey to achieving wealth, it's crucial to be aware of these sacrifices and plan accordingly. So, let's dive into the 10 things people sacrifice in order to get rich. Number 1. Family. Many successful individuals postpone starting a family until they've achieved some level of success. Why? Because the road to financial success demands so much focus and effort that personal feelings can be a distraction. When you're building your empire, you may find yourself putting in late nights and long hours. This often leads to postponing marriage and children. For instance, many successful people wait until their late 30s or even early 40s to start a family. This choice is not always easy and can lead to regret, but it's a sacrifice many feel is necessary to ensure their future financial stability. Number 2. Health. It's a well-known fact that while we know health is vital, many sacrifice it in the pursuit of wealth. Ironically, the very success they strive for often leads to neglecting their physical well-being. The entrepreneurial lifestyle can be a whirlwind of late nights, unhealthy eating, and stress. Many successful individuals admit that during the early stages of their careers, they let their health take a back seat. The long hours spent building their businesses can lead to chronic fatigue and other health issues. So, while they may accumulate wealth, they often find themselves grappling with health problems later in life. Number 3. Friends. The journey to success can be a lonely road. There's little room for a social life when striving for wealth. Many successful individuals find themselves cutting ties with friends who don't share their vision or who pull them into negativity. In fact, it's common for future millionaires to have only a few close friends who understand the sacrifices they are making. These friendships can be incredibly supportive, pushing them further toward their goals. It's important to surround yourself with people who inspire you and share your ambitions. Quality over quantity is key in relationships, especially on the path to success. Number 4. Hobbies. While hobbies can be a great way to relax and unwind, they often provide little value when you're striving for financial success. If you're not where you want to be in life, indulging in hobbies that demand your time and resources can feel like a luxury you can't afford. Many aspiring entrepreneurs have to let go of activities that once brought them joy, redirecting that energy and time into their business ventures. The focus on productivity becomes paramount as they realize that every moment counts in their journey to wealth. Number 5. Time. The journey from zero to financial success typically takes 7 to 10 years, depending on various factors such as the industry and personal commitment. These years may not be the best of your life, but they are necessary sacrifices for achieving your goals. Successful individuals often work long hours, weekends, and holidays, dedicating every free moment to their endeavors. Time becomes their most precious resource. The reality is that this dedication often leads to missed family events, social gatherings, and even vacations, sacrifices that can weigh heavily over time. Number 6. Happiness. While it's often said that money can't buy happiness, the truth is that achieving wealth requires sacrificing happiness for a time. The relentless pursuit of success can lead to periods of stress, anxiety, and feelings of isolation. Many successful people find that their drive can overshadow their joy, making the journey feel burdensome. It's essential to acknowledge that this sacrifice can impact personal relationships and overall well-being. Finding ways to maintain some joy amidst the grind is crucial, whether it's through small victories or taking time to recharge. Balance is key. Number 7. Sleep. If you want to be successful, you might need to sacrifice sleep. Many entrepreneurs, including well-known figures like Elon Musk, are famous for their demanding schedules and limited sleep. The truth is, Cutting down on sleep can give you more hours to work toward your goals, but it comes at a cost. Lack of sleep can affect your health, decision-making, and overall productivity. It's a slippery slope. While you may feel the urgency to push forward, neglecting rest can lead to burnout, which ultimately hinders your success. Finding a sustainable routine is essential for long-term achievement. Number 8. Who you are. To become rich, you may need to sacrifice your current identity. Think of yourself as a work in progress. Embrace the change that comes with personal and professional growth. This transformation often involves letting go of limiting beliefs, bad habits, and a fixed mindset. Successful individuals continuously strive to improve their discipline, focus, and work ethic. They actively seek out new knowledge and experiences that contribute to their growth. By evolving into the best version of yourself, you open doors to new opportunities that lead to wealth. Number 9. Entertainment. In a world full of distractions, it's crucial to cut out unnecessary entertainment like binge-watching TV shows or scrolling through social media. While it's essential to unwind and take breaks, successful individuals recognize that they can't afford to let entertainment consume their time. Those hours spent on trivial activities can be better utilized for learning new skills, networking, or building their business. Every minute counts when you're striving for wealth, and reallocating that time towards productive pursuits can make all the difference. Number 10. Stability. Getting rich is a roller coaster ride filled with ups and downs. You need to accept the instability that comes with the journey and take charge of your own reality. The road to wealth is rarely straightforward. It's filled with challenges and uncertainties. Many successful people experience setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. Embracing this instability means developing resilience and adaptability. It's about learning to thrive in uncertainty and using challenges as stepping stones toward your goals. Conclusion. These are just some of the sacrifices that come with the journey to wealth. Remember, this isn't just a checklist, it's a reality check. If you're serious about getting rich, consider what you're willing to give up. Success is not merely a destination, it's a continuous journey filled with hard work, dedication, and resilience. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on your path to success. Until next time, stay focused and keep pushing forward.